Hello, Falk. I'm here today with Falk Rieker, Head of Banking for SAP. Nice to see you.
Thank you for having me, Karen. Glad to be here.
You know, Falk, we're living in a time of severe macroeconomic and political upheaval, if you will. What does that mean for the financial services industry?
You know, when I look at the financial services industry and specifically banking, I would say in terms of change, they are in a hurricane mode. This is unprecedented transformation we are seeing in banking at the moment. And I often get the question, what should banks do? The typical definitions of industry will not be the same anymore in the digital economy. So non-banks are offering banking services, and to the same extent, banks should make up their mind what services they can provide beyond banking. They need to differentiate themselves, they need to compete with these new players. And just offering banking services will not be enough in the digital economy.
So what do they have to do to survive and beyond survive, thrive in the digital economy?
I think it boils down to three key success factors you need to have in the digital economy. One is digital customer engagement, no surprise. You need to own the customer relationship and be good in the interaction with customers. Number two, instant insight. Whatever it is in terms of information, you want to have it real time across the enterprise. And thirdly, business models will change dramatically fast. So you need an agile platform that helps you realizing and implementing these new business models very fast. Let me give you three examples to these things I just mentioned. So let's start with digital customer engagements. We have, for example, provided a new digital banking platform for a bank to modernize their commercial banking business. When it comes to instant insight, we have implemented an accounting platform that processes 100 millions of transactions and gives the customer insight down to the single transactions in split seconds. And then thirdly, agile platform. Just one of the recent examples, you have probably heard a lot about blockchain, and I think it's one of the key drivers in the financial industry we need to take a look at. And we were able, jointly with a blockchain technology provider and a customer of us, to process a cross-border payment in 20 seconds, what normally takes 2 to 6 days.
Right. So what you're describing is a digital transformation of the industry. How can SAP help our clients in their journey through to this digital transformation?
At the end, it is all about implementing your target state and getting the customer from where they are today to this desired state in the future. So therefore, we have developed a digital transformation framework over the past 2 years. We have test run this with a couple of customers, so this is not just in the labs on paper. This is a real life experience, and it includes best practices which I have seen with customers across different business processes. This includes a reference architecture framework so that you have something to work against when you change your business models. This includes a digital readiness check. And last but not least, most importantly, it helps you to define your digital roadmap. We are doing that and complementing this with our own services. But I would like to point out, at the end of the day, in the digital economy, network is everything. Same for our customers as well for us. So therefore, our partner ecosystem plays a vital role to make our customers and SAP successful.
That's exciting. I'm looking forward to seeing how that plays out. We want success for our banking clients for sure. Thanks for joining us today.